What's going on, everybody? Today we're at the Mandalay Bay, gonna do a room tour of the Resort King room and room 58123. Let's check it out. So coming into the room, you come into your walkway. So to the right, you've got a nice little picture here. And then to the left, you've got a full mirror. So one of a few mirrors, you can check yourself out. Then we come into the room. So as you see, it's a pretty nice room in here. To the right, you have your first of two closets. So you've got your hangers, ironing board, and an in-room safe in this closet. And then on the other side over here, you have an additional closet. So just hangers, extra hangers in this one, and the luggage rack. And as you see, the closets light up as you open the door, and they will go away as you close it. To the bathroom. This is a really nice bathroom. So you've got a really big backlit mirror, his and hers sinks. Really nice design, and then here's a vanity mirror for those who may need it. On this side, you've got the big garden tub here, with the same decor that you saw outside when you first came into the room. You've got a standing shower with a very sturdy door. Really nice standing shower, and then here is a separate toilet area, so you have a separate door for those who need privacy from the toilet. Then we'll check out the rest of the room. There are doors for those who may be wondering. As you can see, you can close the doors to the bathroom, but have them open for video purposes. You've got a work desk area here. So you've got a light here and a connectivity panel under the TV. So if you need to hook up some portable electronics, you can do that. It's a flat screen TV, complimentary ice bucket and cups. And then some in-room dining options or snack items. This will come off. It's not included, but you can, if you need some snacks or munchies, you can grab them from there. And then down here is a mini bar. It's fully stocked. If you want to purchase some alcohol in the room, you can do that and just charge it at the end of your stay. And these are drawers, so if you need the space, you have the space. And then here is the king bed. Really nice little design over the bed. Got lamps on each side. Here is a clock. Nothing special, just a clock. It does have an aux cable connected to it, so you can hook up some music, but you've also got a connectivity panel, so probably wouldn't use that much. And this is the view. This is the end of the strip, so as you see, it's the city. There's the Delano right behind it. But Mandalay Bay is the last hotel on this strip, so there's nothing past here, so there's your city view. And that's gonna do it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching.